There are only 3 FDA-approved topicals to treat onychomycosis. So if a patient is coming in using tea tree oil, VICKS VAPORUB, those are not have ever been studied. Actually, VICKS VAPORUB has been studied in a small trial and does not work for T. rubrum, does work a little bit maybe for T. MENTAGROPHYTES. But these are the FDA studied ones. And so CICLOPIROX 8% solution was first approved back in 1999. It's a hydroxypyridone, and its mechanism of action is not completely understood, but it's thought to inhibit cytochromes and also affect protein and nucleic acid synthesis. It wasn't until 15 years later that we had 2 new FDA-approved topicals, and that was in 2014. So the first is EFINACONAZOLE 10% solution. This is an AZOLE, and it works in the ergosterol biosynthesis pathway, inhibiting 14-alpha demethylase. And the third one is taboberol 5% solution, which is a benzoxaberol, and it has a novel mechanism of action inhibiting specifically fungal but not human aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. So let's look at the courses and the cure rates for these drugs. So for all of them, they're applied daily for 48 weeks. And in the clinical trials, they then had a 4-week washout period and looked at mycological and complete cures at 52 weeks. So for CICLOPIROX solution, mycological cures were 29 and 36%, and complete cures were 5.5% and 8.5%. For efinaconazole solution, mycological cures were 53.4%, and 55.2%. Complete cures were 15.2% and 17.8%. And taboberol solution, mycological cures 31.1% and 35.9%. And then for complete cures, it was 6.5% and 9.1%.